Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, in my case browser. Now click on the square button and tap on this icon at the top right corner of your app. As you can see now, I can use it in pop-up view. In order to move it around, hold this line and drag it. If you wish to make it smaller, click on Home button, and to access it again, tap on the bubble. If you want to use this app, overlay the other one, just select the other one and operate in both. If you wish to close this app, you can turn it into a bubble, hold the bubble and drag it to remove section, or tap on it and click on this X icon at the top right corner. In order to make your app full size, click on this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!